In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your resume from your Google Drive on Windows 11. Whether you're applying for a job online or simply want to keep your CV updated in multiple locations, this guide will make the process smooth and straightforward. First, let's navigate to Google Drive. This is where all your documents, including your resume, are stored in the cloud. To do this, open your web browser and type in drive.google.com. You can also directly search for Google Drive in your browser's search bar. Once you've reached the Google Drive homepage, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled New. Clicking this button will open a drop-down menu that gives you a range of options for creating and uploading files. Here, you'll want to select the File Upload option, which lets you upload files from your computer to your Google Drive. This is where you'll choose your resume file and get it ready for uploading. After selecting File Upload, your File Explorer will open, allowing you to navigate through the files on your computer. Simply find the folder where your resume is stored. It might be in your Documents folder or perhaps saved on your desktop. Once you've found your resume, click on the file to highlight it, and then select Open, or simply double-click the file name. You'll see a small window at the bottom right corner of your screen indicating that the file is being uploaded. This inset shows the progress and confirms when the upload is complete. Upload times can vary depending on your internet speed and the file size of your resume, but generally it shouldn't take more than a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, your resume is now safely stored in Google Drive, which means you can access it from any device with internet connectivity. To make sure everything went smoothly, you can navigate to your Google Drive's Recent section to verify the upload. Alternatively, use the search bar at the top of your Google Drive to search for your resume by name to ensure it uploaded properly, and there you have it, your resume is now uploaded to Google Drive on your Windows 11 system. This gives you the flexibility to share your resume with potential employers at any time by simply providing them a link or by downloading it again should you need to make any updates. Feel free to explore other features of Google Drive to manage your documents efficiently. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your job applications.